Hey everyone, it's Jamie from jamiedelanewatson.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can auto-post your images to Instagram. So you no longer even need to have your phone near you to post a scheduled Instagram using Planoly. They just released this feature this week and I'm so excited about it. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get set up. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if you're not signed up with Planoly already, is click the link in the description of this video to head to the Planoly website to sign up for free. You're going to grab your account. Once you have your account, we're going to log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to see a calendar here. You're also going to see a library of posts. You can have unscheduled posts, scheduled posts, or just show all of them. You can also add your stories here, add a multi-photo there, search for hashtags, and select multiple images there. So to set up auto post, we're going to go here, we're going to go to My Profile. I'm going to click My Profile and we're going to scroll down to Managed Accounts. So I have 2 accounts in my Planoly, and you're going to click this auto post. So we're going to click this, and it's going to ask us to enable direct Instagram publishing, which is enabled right now. You'll see an option pop up. It'll ask you to likely log in with Facebook to give permission to publish to Instagram. So you're going to authenticate that, hit close, and now you'll be able to auto post. If you have multiple accounts, you'll want to do it for both accounts right here. Now you do need to set up the ability to auto post on the desktop. You cannot do this from the iPhone app, but once you've set up the ability to auto post, you can do everything from Planoly within the iPhone app, which is what I'm showing you here. So now on this app, you'll see if the post has been scheduled, you'll see the airplane that says A for auto post right beside it. So I can see that Monday's post of my cute little puppy from a couple years ago is set to auto post. So I don't even need to be near my phone at all to have this successfully post, which is absolutely amazing and provides so much flexibility now for business owners. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Sign up for Planoly using the link in my description. Please subscribe for more videos on marketing and pricing advice for photographers. Until next time.